हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फार्मा प्लेनेट। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन ऑन रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट इज व्हाट इज द मेजर एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ कोरिलेशन एनालिसिस? ऑप्शन ए एसोसिएशन अमंग वेरिएबल, ऑप्शन बी डिफरेंस अमंग वेरिएबल, ऑप्शन सी रिग्रेशन अमंग वेरिएबल, ऑप्शन डी वेरिएशन अमंग वेरिएबल। करेक्ट आंसर इज ए एसोसिएशन अमंग वेरिएबल्स। नेक्स्ट, what is the name of the conceptual framework in which the research is carried out? Option A research hypothesis, option B synopsis of research, option C research paradigm, option D research design. The correct answer for this question is option D research design. Next, what is the main role of research in education? Option A to upsurge one's social status, to increase one's job prospects, to augment one's personal growth, to help an applicant in becoming a renowned educationalist. The correct answer for this question is option D, to help an applicant in becoming a renowned educationalist. Which of the following features are considered as critical in qualitative research? Collecting data with the help of standardized research tools, design sampling with probability sample techniques, collecting data with bottom-up empirical evidence, option D gathering data with top-down schematic evidence. Correct answer is collecting data with bottom-up empirical evidence. How is random sampling helpful? Option A reasonably accurate, option B an economical method of data collection, option C free from personal biases, एंड ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव। सही आंसर है इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव आर ट्रू फॉर द रैंडम सैम्पलिंग। In order to pursue the research, which of the following is priorly required? Option A developing a research design, option B formulating a research question, option C deciding about the data analysis procedure, or option D formulating a research hypothesis. The correct answer for this question is option B formulating a research question. The next, the format of thesis writing is the same as in A writing of seminar representation, option B preparation of research paper or article, option C a research dissertation, option D presenting a workshop or conference paper. The correct answer for this question is C a research dissertation. Which one among the following statement is false in the context of participatory research? Option A it recognizes knowledge as power, it is collective process of inquiry, option C it emphasizes people as experts, option D its sole purpose is the production of knowledge. The correct answer for this question is option D its sole purpose is the production of knowledge. Next question, which one among the following statement is true in the context of the testing of hypothesis? Option A it is only the alternative hypothesis that can be tested, B it is only the null hypothesis that can be tested, option C both the alternative and the null hypothesis can be tested, option D both the alternative and the null hypothesis cannot be tested. Correct answer is it is only the null hypothesis that can be tested. What are the conditions in which type 1 error occurs? A the null hypothesis get accepted even if it is false, B the null hypothesis get rejected even if it is true, C both the null hypothesis as well as alternative hypothesis are rejected, and D none of the above. The correct answer for this question is B the null hypothesis get rejected even if it is true. Which of the following does not correspond to characteristic of research? Research is not passive, research is systematic, research is not a problem oriented, research is not a process. The correct answer for this question is D. Research is not a process. Which of the following options are the main task of research in modern society? Option A, to learn new things. Option B, to keep pace with the advancement in knowledge. Option C, to systematically examine and critically analyze the investigations or sources with the objective. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer for this is D, all of the above. What is the main aim of interdisciplinary research? Option A, to oversimplify the problem of research. Option B, to bring out the holistic approach to research. Option C, to create a new trends in research methodology. Option D, to reduce the emphasis on a single subject in the research domain. The correct answer for this is B, to bring out the holistic approach to research. A research is interested in studying the prospect of a particular political party in an urban area. So, what tools should be preferred for the study? Option A, rating scale. Option B, interview. Option C, questionnaire. And option D, that is the schedule. Now, the correct answer for this question, that is C, questionnaires. How to judge the depth of any research? By research title, by research duration, by research objective, by total expenditure on research. The correct answer is by research objectives. Circle graph are used to show how is one part related to other part, how various sections share in the wall, how is one wall related to another wall, or how are various parts related to the wall. The correct answer for this question is how are various parts related to the wall. Which one is called non-probability sampling? Option A, quota sampling. Option B, cluster sampling. Option C, systematic sampling. Option D, stratified random sampling. The correct answer for this question is A, quota sampling. Sampling cases can be defined as option A, sampling using a sampling frame. Option B, identifying people who are suitable for research. Option C, literally the researcher's briefcase. Option D, a sampling of people, newspaper, television program, etc. The correct answer for this is a sampling of people, newspaper, television program, etc. Which technique is generally followed when the population is finite? Option A, systematic sampling technique. Option B, purposive sampling technique. Option C, area sampling technique. And option D, none of the above. The correct answer for this is systematic sampling technique. Option A is the correct answer. The next question. The F test is essentially a two-tailed test, is essentially a one-tailed test, can be one-tailed as well as two-tailed depending on the hypothesis, and option D, can never be one-tailed test. The correct answer for this question is can be one-tailed as well as two-tailed depending on the hypothesis. Which one among the following is the most comprehensive source of population data? Option A, census. Option B, National Sample Survey. Option C, Demographic Health Survey. Option D, National Family Health Survey. The correct answer for this is option A, census. How can we enhance the research objective? Option A, by making it more valid. Option B, by making it more reliable. Option C, by making it more impartial. And option D, all of the above. The correct answer for this is all of the above. On what basis can one formulate the assumption? Option A, the cultural background of the country. Option B, universities. Option C, some specific characteristic of the caste. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer for this question is option A, the cultural background of the country. The next question, what is the use of factorial analysis? Option A, for setting the hypothesis. Option B, to understand the difference between two variables. Option C, to understand the relationship between two variables. And option D, to understand the difference between various variables. The correct answer for this question is option B, to understand the difference between two variables. Next question, which one among the following variable cannot be expressed in quantitative terms? Option A, numerical aptitude. Option B, marital status. Option C, socio-economic status. Option D, professional attitude. The correct answer over here is option D, प्रोफेशनल एटीट्यूड. सो यहाँ पे हमने डिस्कस की है MCQ ऑन रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी. होप it will be helpful for you for your study purpose. Please like this video and also subscribe my channel if you are new to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.